Fifth, Surah Al-Mā'idah, the food. This is the fifth surah according to the arrangement of the Qur'an and 112th according to the order of revelation. It was revealed in Madina soon after the Treaty of Hudaibiyah, either towards the end of the 6th year of Hijrah or at the beginning of the 7th year of Hijrah. In the surah, there is a verse 5.3 that is believed to be the last verse revealed to the Prophet, peace be upon him. The surah consists of 120 verses in 16 sections. There are 6 main points discussed in this surah. All obligations, whether they are divine or human, should be fulfilled, whether we have pledged or promised a sign, a treaty, we must abide by it. Also, Allah gave some rules for life to keep us clean and sober. Cleanliness of the body, living with justice, being upright and moral, avoiding sin, corruption and superstition, and doing the deeds of piety and righteousness are important rules and principles and must be observed. Number 2, message to the people of the book, that is Christians and Jews, to recognize the truth. Allah's punishment comes on those who rejected Allah's rules and knowingly violate them. Number 3, the story of 2 children of Adam is told. The story has many lessons. Sometimes even your brothers become envious of you and they harm you. Just and righteous persons sometimes suffer at the hands of their own family members. But God's judgment also come. The righteous under no situation give up right attitude and behavior. Number 4, Muslims must deal with justice with all people. Justice should be impartial. Even to their enemies, they must be just. However, relations among Muslims themselves should be deeper. There should not be only justice but also love, brotherhood, care and concern for each other. Number 5, enjoy the good deeds, good things that Allah has given, but guard against excesses. Do not indulge in swearing, gambling, intoxicants, superstitions, violation of the sanctities of the sanctuary of Allah, the Kaaba. Number 6, Jesus, peace be upon him, was a great prophet of Allah. He performed many miracles, but his teachings were not followed and they were corrupted after his departure from the earth. Introduction to the sections. General rules of discipline. Number 2, cleanliness for prayers. Command to abide by justice. Number 3, Allah's covenant with the children of Israel. Number 4, children of Israel broke the covenant of God. Number 5, Musa, peace be upon him, warned the children of Israel. Number 6, story of the 2 children of Adam, punishment for the offenders. Number 7, Allah's rule must be established. Number 8, the relations of Muslims with their opponents. Number 9, those who make the mockery of the truth. Number 10, how Christians deviated from the truth. Number 11, some Christians came closer to Islam and recognized the truth. Number 12, prohibition against intoxicants, gambling and shirk. Number 13, respect of the Kaaba. Number 14, rules against idolatry and about testimony. Number 15, some miracles of Jesus, peace be upon him. Number 16, how the teachings of Jesus were corrupted after his departure.